we've had a gentleman bring a pair of shoes in. He's struggling to get down and tie his shoelaces, so he wants some sort of slip-on. He can't find a nice slip-on, so he's brought us his old Trickers in. This is an old Woodstock, Trickers Woodstock, and we're going to make this into a type of slip-on. We've tried this chap with elastic laces. We've tried this chap with the little rubber bits of laces, the easy tie, and he didn't get on with them. So what we've done, come on in here, Paul, I'll show you what we've done. We've opened the shoe up and we've removed the bellows tongue. We've unpicked it across there and then we've cut it down across the sides. So that's out the way now, and we're going to replace that with a piece of elastic, when I can get hold of it, a piece of elastic across there. So we'll stitch that in across there, and then we'll close those up there, and then we'll stitch down the facings on each side when they're together. And then what we'll do is we'll just loosely put the elastic back in, so that he gets all the elastic underneath there supporting his foot, and then just the elastic on top to keep the facings nicely together. Here's one that we did earlier. So this now has got just these in nice and loose, and all that bellows tongue there, look, has been replaced with elastic.
Dragon's
so
Den, mate.
Hey,
Dragon's
that's good,
Den,
ain't it, eh? That's
it's not
good.
a bad idea if I do say
Well,
so
let's hope
myself.
that he can get his foot in there now. That really does open up, and then it pulls back nicely, and that elastic should hold across the top of his foot and keep his shoe on nicely. Okay, get on.